Okay, so now let's move towards another web page about HRDC. So that menu has appeared here. So home, about us, and here I am going to change the web page about HRDC. Okay, again I am going to display the information of our HRDC. So I will need a text box. So double click, insert a text box. Again I will take the information from our HRDC home page, and the address of our website is ascsgbau.ac.in. I am taking these contents from the other website because those websites belongs to us only. So about us, and on this about us the information is placed here. So I will be copying this entire information. Okay, select, copy and paste it here. So UGC Human Resource Development Center, I am selecting it as a title, then this is the address, I will be taking it as a heading, and then the rest of the information I am keeping as it is. Okay, so this is my second page under about us. I will move towards the next page, that is about NRC. Again it will consist of a textual information. So double click, insert a text box. Here I have stored this information in my Word file. So here I have mentioned that for about us page, for about SGBAU, copy it from the SGBAU website, about HRDC, copy from the HRDC website, and for about NRC, here I have created the information of our NRC. So I have selected it, select, copy it, go back to our slide design and paste it. Okay, so I can display it in a larger font using subheading. So this is the next page. So what I have done here is that I have designed all the 3 sub pages under the about us link. So now let's move towards creating the web page for courses. So I will go to this menu, courses. So this is the web page for courses. What I want to do here is that I will be displaying the image of the course on the left hand side and the information about the course on the right hand side. The National Research Center of this university has so far offered 2 courses, 2 online refresher courses, one under the ARPIT 2018 and the second which is ongoing under this ARPIT 2019. So initially I am interested in displaying what ARPIT is, and then I will be showing the information about the 2 ARPIT courses. So let us see which layout matches my requirement. What is my requirement? Left hand side there will be image and right hand side there will be text, that is the information. So if you see here in this layout, the very first layout is similar kind of thing. So I am just clicking there. So here you can see that the plus button, it is assisting me to upload some object. So upload, what I want to upload here is that I want to display the information about ARPIT, and ARPIT is uploaded on the SWAYAM platform. So I will be uploading the logo of SWAYAM. So the SWAYAM logo is here, open, SWAYAM logo has appeared. Now at the right hand side I have to add the text, and the text I have already stored in my Word document. So this is that Word document. So ARPIT, I have selected it, copy, and here I am going to paste it. So this I want to display as a heading. So ARPIT, annual refresher program in teaching, and the information about the ARPIT courses. So I have selected it, copy, go back to our site design, and here in the next text box I have pasted it as a simple textual information. Okay, so SWAYAM, and at the right hand side what is ARPIT. One part is completed, so I just want to put a divider between the next part. So click on that divider, a divider will appear here. What I want to do is, now I want to display another information. So the same layout, clicking on plus will let me upload the image, the second image that I would be uploading for the ARPIT 2018 course, and that image is stored as course image. So okay, let us go to my Word page where okay, I have forgot to add this particular part in ARPIT. So what I will do, I will select this part, features, and the last part. So I have selected copy. Where I want to add it, I want to add here just below this one. So what simply you have to do is, either I can add a new text box, or I can simply press enter and add just below this text box. Better way, what I will do, I will add a new text box. See, this will also let you know how to insert objects in already existing web page. Now if you see here, I want to insert this text box at this place, whereas one more section has been already added. So what simply I have to do here is just click this text box and drag it to the place where I want. I want it here. So see what I simply did, I clicked and I dragged. So this is the place where I want it. I have selected and copied it. So just I have to do is paste. So the features, it is taken as heading. So these are the features. Okay. Second, now I want to display the information about the ARPIT 2018 course. This is the title, ARPIT 2018. I will select, say copy, paste. I want to display it as a header. So select heading. Now the information about the course which is present here. So again I have selected the course information, copy, go back to web design page, paste. Next, put a divider, again add a layout, click this upload. Now I want to add the image for this year course, and that image is this one, course logo 101, open. So this is the image. Then the title, I am selecting it, say copy, then paste it. I want to make it as a heading. So it is a heading now. Take the contents and select and say copy, paste. Now just go to this preview button. So this is how my courses web page will be displayed. So at the top, the information about what ARPIT is and what are the features of ARPIT, then the ARPIT 2018 course, information about that, and ARPIT 2019, the information for that. Now since this course is still going on, what I can do is I can give a link to this course. So same thing that I have done earlier. So what I have to do here is insert a button. So where is the button? Yes, it is here, button. What is the name? Okay, I can say go to course, okay, or register. And where is the link? Again I have to go to Swayam and find that page. So swayam.gov.in, ARPIT courses. Under ARPIT I have to find the skills for new educational architecture. Right click, copy link location. I will close this window and here paste it. So insert. now I can see that a button has appeared. What I can do, I will increase the size of the button and I will place this button somewhere at the center. So now if I am looking the preview, the courses, then the 2018 course, 2019, and here there is a link for go to course. So if I am clicking here, it will redirect me to that particular course. Okay, skills for new educational architecture and a link to join. So I have completed designing another web page. Okay, so now we will move towards designing the next web pages for governing bodies. The first governing body is Academic Council. Again, this is the textual information. What simply I have to add is insert a text box. So I will either insert the text box from this side. So insert text box. Where the information is present, the information is stored in my Word document. So governing bodies, the first web page, that is Academic Council. So what I will do, I will select the names of all the members of Academic Council. So I have selected this, then copy. Here I will paste it. So this is the, what I am going to do here is that I am going to highlight the name of every member. So I will select it and make it as a subheading, normal text to subheading, normal text to subheading, then this is necessary to display whatever the information is being displayed. It should be displayed very neatly. That's why actually I am spending time in formatting the text, because ultimately the information will be viewed by the user, and user should be, or user should be interested to read the information. So okay, let us preview this particular web page. So simply what I have done here is that I have listed the members of this academic council. So the names of every person are shown in a bold manner. So similarly, I will be adding the information for all other committees. I will go fastly for doing this. These are the members of advisory committee. So select, copy. Now you would have seen that since I have already typed this text in a Word file, my job has been very simplified. Otherwise what I would have to do is I would have to keep it typing on this particular web design page, and that would have wasted most of my time. So rather this is naturally helpful to me. So that's why I have recommended you from point to point that you should spend your time in this pre-design work. So my second page is ready. See, within less than a minute I have typed this entire information because it was ready with me. Okay, then the third committee, the academic coordination committee, again I will need the similar kind of text box. Okay, I will move out of this text box, go to my Word document. This is the academic coordination committee. I am selecting it, then copy. Here paste. Again what I am going to do is I will be adding the names, formatting the names as subheaders. Although I have just listed the names of the members of committees, depending upon your requirement, the contents of every web page may differ actually. So what I could have done here is that I could have mentioned the jobs and responsibilities of each of the committees in at the top, and then I could have listed the members of that particular committee. Okay, the last committee that is remaining is technical committee. So again, insert a text box, go back to my Word document. These are the members of technical committee. Select, right click, copy, go back to my web design, paste. Again the same thing, I am displaying them as a header. So now what I have done so far is I have created all the web pages. So when I am previewing, I can now preview all the governing bodies. So this is the technical committee. Okay, this is how it would look. Then this is the academic coordination committee. This is how it would look. And then the academic advisory committee and all other committees. Okay, so now I will come out of this preview page